What up, guys? Cheers. Can you guys hear me? How's it going? My mic's so far away, so I gotta I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. Sorry, guys, some technical difficulties. But it's all good. We made it. Who we got in the chat? Let me see. Dang, we got 7 people in the chat. That's what I like to see, yo. And let me know if the music's crazy. I say this every freaking stream. But it does random stuff on me, guys. Let's see. Yo, we got King Almond. I think I was subscriber number 2K. Hey. Thanks, man. Thanks for subbing. Welcome to the Wolfpack. Let's see. We got 14 people in the chat now. Dang. I like that. Guys, welcome to Crypto and Coffee. We like to kick back. You know, at the end of every week, we got to take a break, take a breather. Because I be making videos all day long. Sometimes I just want to read the crypto news, kick back with the homies. You know what I'm saying? But King Almond, thank you for the good content. I wonder why so few subs. Hey, man, you know, I think I'm getting pretty good growth for being a younger YouTube channel, to be honest with you. I'm happy with my growth. I can't complain. You know, because I'm getting quality viewers, you know? I'm not like exactly a Moonboy channel, so I don't think it would be the most prolific gains in subs, but hey, I like the people here right now. All right, guys, let me say hi to everybody, then we'll get right into the news, guys. I got, what, 10 articles or so to go over? So we're going to do it. Just give me 1 second. All right. Let's see. Let me know if the audio's off or anything, guys. I try to mix this. You guys don't know, like, YouTube's been hitting me on my music, like demonetizing me. So I try to go and do like my own royalty-free mix. Let me know if the leveling's messed up. My mic's all the way over there. I gotta fix, man. Shoot. Anyway, let's see. King Almond said, I have a question about liquidity. If you go to some sites like Live Crypto Watch, they have column called plus or whatever, 2%. I know liquidity refers to the ability to exchange, but what does this mean? Yeah, so it probably has to do with like slippage rates, man. Like especially in exchanges that have like thin liquidity, like there's something called slippage. Like if you go in there and you want to sell, like you're a whale and you want to sell a boatload of stuff, well, maybe the exchange can't like get you the price that you want as efficiently, right? So you have like a plus or minus slippage rate. Usually when you're like selling a lot of stuff or using a little rinky-dink exchange. All right. King Almond, I'll come back to your comments. Let me say what's up to everybody. 16 people in the chat. That's what I like to see. DB, hi there, Dubs. Man, always there. Appreciate you. Thanks for showing out. This is a good piece of advice for AU. Smash the like, please, guys. Helps me with my algo. Yeah, the algo. Golden Eagle, good morning. When start? Now start. That's what I'm talking about. Welcome. When moon? Now moon. Just depends what cryptos you got. But soon, I think it's all gonna moon. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Golden Eagle, ready for EOS pump. Shoot, I think we're all ready for EOS pump. That thing's got to go up. What, EOS just is going to stay on the floor forever? No. It's got to go up eventually. Let's see. DBs, hey Dubs, just put a notification on the site I'm a member of, asking them to join the live stream. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Please share with your friends if you like what the DubDigital does. You know, I try to give you guys quality crypto content. You know, for the more sophisticated among us here who want some in-depth videos, I'll bring it for you. Let's see. Sean Hayes, what's up, buddy? What's up? Welcome to Crypto and Coffee. Tintin, it's been a second. What's up, dude? Glad to see you again. I'm glad for you to join my live stream. That's for sure. Guys, and thank you. Thank you all for helping me get to 2,000 subs. You know how many times I was posting videos, think I was talking to myself? Like all the time. But now, I know there's at least 2,000 people watching my videos. Gives me energy, you know? Or maybe that's the coffee, I'm not sure. Let's see. RT, what's up? What's up, buddy? What's up? Back in the saddle. Back in the saddle, Cyber Cab. What's good? Man, we got some action in the chat already. Dang. Guys, I usually go through all the comments, but I don't even know if I can do that anymore. My bad. Let me just try to Rubber DubDigital, Sunny Boy, what's up? What's up? Omo One Gaming. My morning's doing well. You know how it is. Let's see. Gene Murphy. I haven't seen you in a second either. Channel A+. Thank you very much. We got 22 people in the chat. We're about to start the news right now, guys. But what kind of host would I be if I didn't say hello to my subs? You know what I'm saying? Milo, let's get it. That's what I'm saying. Martin, to the moon. That's what I'm saying. Johnny Dub, what's up, man? What's up? Big Chris, Dubski. Big Chris, what's up? Always love to have you. Let's see. All right, guys. Sorry if I didn't show your comment. I'm starting to get an influx of comments here. I can't keep up. Protect, what's up? RT, what's up? And Johnny, what's up? I think I got everyone. All right, guys. As you can tell, the channel's got 2,000 views. Got me bullish as hell. But you know, hopefully, guys, the way my channel's gonna work, I'm gonna tell you straight up. This is how it's gonna work. In the beginning, the least amount of people are gonna be here, and they're not gonna see these videos. The people who are here are gonna see the videos. They're gonna get in early, and they're gonna benefit the most. Right? I mean, because honestly, the way I invest is buy low, sell high. Everything's not a good investment forever, right? So watch. My day ones, y'all are gonna benefit the most, trust. But with that said, let's check it out. Let's see what's been on the chopping block for this week in terms of crypto news. This first one I got up for you is not necessarily crypto news, but just hear me out. Let's read it, and then I'm going to tell you what I think is going to happen from this whole GameStop Robinhood fiasco. The SEC is looking into Robinhood's handling of GameStop trading, fearing that recent delisting and volatility undermine the market confidence. Guys, important, market confidence. The U.S. securities regulators say it's looking into Robinhood's fiasco. The U.S. Securities Watchdog is looking into, the Redditors. At least in so many words, the Securities and Exchange Commission made a joint statement on Friday expressing concerns over the extreme price volatility of certain stocks, trading prices over the past several days. And then the commission will closely review actions taken by the regulated entities that may disadvantage investors or otherwise unduly inhibit the ability to trade certain securities. Guys, this is crazy. Listen, we don't even got to do the rest because I just want to get into it. 24 people on the chat. I love it. Okay, so you guys need to understand the gravity of this if you don't already. Why is this whole Robinhood thing a big deal? Why is everyone freaking out? Well, this is why. Because, guys, the U.S. economy in general is known to be the bedrock of fiat financial system, right? We have the reserve currency. We have the most worthy backed fiat currency that the whole world relies on in case their fiat currency goes to crap. So it's very important for the world reserve economy to have full faith and confidence for the rest of the world. Because if you start seeing cracks in the financial system, people around the world are going to get uneasy. They're going to say, what the heck is going over there in America? Maybe I should have all my millions and billions of dollars locked up in American companies. Okay, well, DubDigital, you're getting way out of proportion with this, don't you think? Well, no, I don't think I am, right? Because The markets in America are the most liquid in the world. If there's a trading app like Robinhood that stops people from accessing that liquidity, people are going to get nervous. They think they're getting cheated. They think that Wall Street's working against them, and well, they kind of are. So with that said, where do you think these people are going to go? These people are about to go into crypto. We just saw Doge pump like hard, didn't we? That Doge pump? Any of you guys getting that Doge pump? Hello. Robinhood app, people, just go download Coinbase. Same thing. No one's stopping you from selling your stuff. They're going to love crypto. But you know, the funny thing is, guys, we're in crypto first. Early bird gets the worm. What do y'all think? Let's see. And guys, if you're new to the channel, I like to keep this collaborative. I usually read an article and then I go to the chat and see what you guys got to say, and we'll talk about good ideas suggested in the chat box. Let's see. All right. What's Johnny Dub have? I think a good topic for you to cover is how the pump and dumps work. It will help the noobs not get wrecked. A lot of crap getting posted everywhere at the minute. Okay, guys. So, who's new to crypto, by the way? I have a mix of like older crypto people and younger crypto people. So hopefully this benefits the newer people. But listen, guys, you're going to see a lot of people. Like I saw that TikTok thing on Doge a couple months ago where kids were saying, get Doge to $1, like put your life savings in, all this stuff. Guys, trading isn't necessarily participating in pump moves. Pump moves is the first one in benefits. The last one out gets wrecked. The first way of making money, the way that you really build wealth over sustained periods of time, is to not do that. We're not gambling here. We're trying to get gains with the least amount of risk to our capital as possible. So if you're throwing your money into these coins that are pumping to the sky, you might make some money, but you might lose some money too, you know, and this is real life markets. This isn't Chuck E. Cheese tokens, man. You know, so like if you're okay with possibly gambling your money away like that on pumps, that's fine. Just know that that can happen. And if it works out for you, I'm very happy, but like maybe not your whole money, all your money, you know what I'm saying? Maybe a portion of your money if you're going to do that stuff. You know, like, hey, maybe I'm old-fashioned though, you know, Johnny Dub, maybe I'm old-fashioned. I like to get in the moves, build into a move, sit and wait for it to pop. And I sell out into the people getting into the hype move. So like Dogecoin, when I don't got nothing on Doge, I know a lot of people who made a lot of money on Doge, but understand guys, Doge goes up hard and comes down fast. You know, it's not going to go up and stay. That's not how charting works. So just be aware, guys. If something's like pumping 100, 200% already, what's the likelihood of it continuing to go higher? That's how I like to think. Because at some point, it has to come back down. Because everything reverts to the mean. Oh, what do you think, Johnny Dub? Was that good? We got 28 people on the chat. What's up, y'all? What's up? 20,000 subs, but I think that's coming next. 2,000 subs. Historic moment for the DubDigital channel. Got monetized and all that. Hopefully there's not too many ads in my videos. I didn't put too many. That's lame. I hate when videos have way too many ads. Let's see. What else we got? Gene, just wanted to know your thoughts on Swipe's new DeFi button on wallet, and there's new Swipe savings they are launching. Thanks. Huh? They have a DeFi button? Gene, you're teaching me stuff now. They have a DeFi button on their wallet app? I haven't even been in mine for a little bit. And what's a Swipe savings mechanism? I'm guessing you can... Well, what is that? Sorry, Gene, I don't even know. But good to know, you know? Smash the like. I love it. Cali Fighter, welcome. We got 29 people in the chat. 14 minutes in. You guys, if you're just signing in, you're not late. You're right on time. Oh, yeah. What are you guys drinking? Vodka? Just kidding. No, I wouldn't drink vodka at 9 a.m. No, I wouldn't do that. Let's see. See, guys, and if you're new to crypto, notice. Look, King Almond bought Doge at less than a cent. Less than a cent, okay? So if you think you're early in the Doge, getting in when it's pumping up damn near past $1, 40 cents, just know there's people like King Almond who's waiting to dump on y'all head. And I don't say that to ruin your parade, but like my channel is like somewhat unsexy, okay? When there's something on the floor, I tell you, hey, you might want to look at this. No one likes that. And then when prices go up a lot, I tell you, hey, you might want to like pull some profit, and no one likes that. So y'all take it how y'all want to take it. But just know there's people who've got in a long time ago who wouldn't mind at the spur of a moment just getting a nice payday and dropping that price, you know? Got to be careful with pump moves. All right. Let me come back, guys. I'll do the next article. We got a few to get through. We got 27 people on the chat. That's what I like to see. But yeah, and guys, FYI, I'll be publishing a video right after this. It's going to be WAN chain. And I did some detective work as to WAN chain having some ties to Ethereum. And the President Jack Lew working with Vitalik back in China. Interesting stuff. Might want to watch that video. All right, next one. We got consider ETH to be a growth asset. Galaxy Digital is launching a suite of Ethereum funds. So guys, you don't know, Galaxy Digital is Mr. Novogratz, Mike Novogratz investment company. So quick take here. Galaxy Digital is launching ETH-focused funds next month, according to documents shared with investors. Galaxy is pitching ETH as a growth asset akin to high-growth technology stocks. That's what I've been saying. Remember, they call Bitcoin digital gold? Well, it's because it's safer than all the other altcoins. Let's be real. It's safer, right? It goes down less, goes up less in percentage terms. So like Ethereum is the king altcoin. I've been like comparing Ethereum to like growth assets. Bitcoin for crypto is the risk off, like safety play. Ethereum is the risk on growth play. And when I'm showing you guys every freaking video, right, that Bitcoin dominance is starting to peter out and head downwards. If it does go downwards, that means risk is on. Risky plays are on. Altcoins are on. But just know, guys, when altcoin season is going, it doesn't stay that way. It usually, Bitcoin dominance rises back up eventually. It's like a seesaw. So anyway, I got all excited. My bad. You guys know how I get. Mike Novogratz, Galaxy Digital is betting that 2021 will be the year which Ethereum becomes an investment darling among most investors. This thesis of a soon-to-launch suite of Ethereum-focused funds, the products will officially roll out in mid-February, according to a document sent to Galaxy clients. Okay, get them exposure to ETH. Yeah. That's why they're buying it. Okay, this is interesting. The fund's pricing will be drawn from the Bloomberg Galaxy Ethereum Index, and its assets will be held in custody by Gemini. Gemini's holding everyone's stuff, by the way. Galaxy will charge a management fee of 1% for investments larger than 100K and 1.25% for investments under that amount. The minimum investment required is 25K. So guys, it's not no rinky dink. It's not for the everyday Joe. Let's just be real. Okay, and this is what I want to hear, guys. 28 people in the chat. Thanks for staying with me. We consider ETH to be a growth asset. Investing in ETH is similar to investing in a basket of early-stage, high-growth technology stocks that provides investors exposure to the explosion of next-gen smart contracts and decentralized applications. The firm said, Galaxy's additionally, I can't even read right now. What the hell? Galaxy additionally points to the decentralized finance DeFi market in its product pitch, noting 6 applications in the decentralized finance space are now worth more than $1 billion and are generating up to hundreds of millions in annualized revenues. That got boring. Sorry, guys. I lost 3 people. Rambling on and on. Shoot. Enough of that, though. Basically, Galaxy Digital We're going to be opening up Ethereum to a lot of people with a lot of money. What do you think? Let's see. Let's see. Just looking at the chat, guys. My bad. King Almond's new and he bought Doge at less than a cent. You're a legend, bro. Welcome to the Wolf Pack. Sean Hayes, because that's all it is. Wall Street bets or whatever the Reddit channel is, people jump in and pump it and lose. Those same people are going to sell and take profits. Yeah, you know, it's a seesaw, guys. At the end of the day, everything's a pyramid scheme. Working at a company is a pyramid scheme. The CEO gets paid more than you. Trading stocks, trading crypto is a pyramid scheme. The person who got in makes more than you. You know what I'm saying? Early bird gets the worm. Let's see. Muhammad, I bought at SXP at $1.05 when I recommended it and sold today at $1.45. Do you think XP will reach new highs in next month? I don't know, man. Like, my channel's typically like, I say, okay, this price is severely undervalued. You might want to secure a position. As far as what I see XSP doing, I think it should go up from here. As far as timing is concerned, I don't know. See, because like in crypto, Bitcoin can just go off and pull alts down. That happens all the time. And I'm getting tired trying to guess. So what I'm saying is, if you have a bag of XSP, typically what I like to do is not pull all of it. I like to pull like half at predetermined points, so I'm never running out of it. You know what I'm saying? But if you did sell all of it, I would wait for a comeback somewhere around along the line. But again, you know, like, I like to hold my thing the length of the trend. I don't really do the in and out trading thing too much. I used to, when like early on in the cycle when I had time. Now we're coming up to that one first move up where it's going to leave a lot of people in the dust, and I just don't think it's worth being left out. So my bad, man. Not a good answer, but I'll hit you guys with a update, you know, in a few weeks. See what the chart says. This is related to GameStop. What do you think? Oh, you mean this Ethereum article? Perhaps. It could be. You know, maybe money is tired of being told what to do. They want to go to a market that won't tell them what to do. Makes sense, right? Let's see. What about Aave? Man, I mean, look at the coins on my channel, right? They're not really typical. Aave might do well, but the reason I don't pick up Aave or look at Aave at all is because I don't have history. I get uncomfortable when I don't have like the previous pump to look, the previous cycle to look at, like 2017, 2018. If I have that, I could pretty much determine where it's going to run into sticking points, where it's going to drop down to. I have a lot more room to work with. So Aave, I don't know. That thing's already in price discovery. It's killing it. So when something's in price discovery, guys, just to let you know, you can't look at the chart. You don't have like a roadmap. So you're flying blind. Is that thing overvalued? Is it undervalued? I got no idea. And because of that, I try to limit my like exposure to that stuff. I have a few like new coin plays like RSR, like Ren, and a few other ones. I picked up some, some new Cypher, some Grid, but that's because I think like, money's just going to flow into those naturally because it's on Coinbase. But Aave should do well. The reason I say that is it's connected to DeFi. I think DeFi is going to be the next killer use case for crypto, right? Because everyone needs money. People definitely need money now because they're out of work. And companies need money because they need to like make up for their customers that aren't there. So like Aave should be cool. It's been a very, very high performer, but makes me nervous. I don't want the bottom to drop out from under me. So I'd rather get into like coins that I know a little bit more about. You think AMC will go up Monday? I have no idea, man. I don't even watch stocks at all. I don't watch stocks at all. I'm crypto, 100%. Since 2013, 100% crypto. All right, guys. Next article. Let's get it. 22 people on the chat. I appreciate you. NASDAQ listed marathon patent. NASDAQ listed marathon patent group buys 150 million worth of Bitcoin as part of the company's treasury reserves. Quick take. Publicly traded Marathon Patent Group has bought Bitcoin worth about $150 million. Marathon CEO Merrick Okamoto, hopefully I said that right, told the blog that the purchase was made from the company's cash reserves. Damn, man. $150 million in cash reserves? That's some big boy money. Okay, NASDAQ listed Marathon Patent Group announced Monday that it has purchased around 4,813 Bitcoin for about $150 million. Damn. Well, I remember 2012 or so, people were picking up that much for about a couple $100. Do you see how this works, guys? Do you see how it works? You can get in now, you can get in later, but I guarantee you're going to pay more later than you're going to pay now. Assume it's not like a blow off top. Assuming it's not a blow off top yet. But hey, it's not that Bitcoin's getting more expensive, y'all. It's that the dollar is getting less and less useful. It's inflation chipping away at your money. It's not Bitcoin. When you realize that, you realize it does pay to get in earlier, because then time decay or time can work to your favor. I bought my first Bitcoin at $100, 2013. Who would have thought it would become 40,000 bucks at one point? Not me. But guys, look. This article goes well with the next one. Check it out. I'll just do two in a row. Union Square Ventures to allocate 30% of new $250 million fund to crypto-related investments. Do you guys see a trend here? Union Square Ventures said it will invest roughly 30% of its freshly minted $250 million 2021 core fund in crypto-related investments, as it has with other recent funds. The venture capital firm known as Bets on Twitter, Tumblr, and Coinbase said in a blog post written on managing partner Andy blah 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 whatever. Okay, sorry, I messed that up. Will include holding tokens directly as well as equity in early stage blockchain related projects. We believe the opportunity to decentralize systems is still in early stages, seeing adoption, tailwind, and with a lot of interesting new activities, Wiseman wrote. Okay, so we see big money. They ain't playing around, it's not funny. Rhyming like the Energizer Bunny. Big money. But guys, listen up. What do we see between these two? We got 150 million here, 250 million here. But what's a couple million between friends? You know? What else? Oh, we even got some more. But I just want to talk about this private money, venture capital, seeking out crypto. Because they finally freaking understand what we've been telling them this whole damn time. Crypto's the deal. You want to make some money, you got to be in crypto. End of story. What's gaining like crypto right now? Besides AMC and GME. But you know what? They don't even want you to make money on that. Y'all are finally starting to see it, huh? You're starting to see the brick wall in the back of the theater. How Wall Street, how the government, they kind of work like this, right? And they try to keep you down. Robinhood just figured that out. But guess what? Crypto is an industry built around being against that. That's what all these OG crypto people, that's why we got into it. So welcome. Welcome to the party. It's going to be great. What do y'all think? 23 people on the chat. Hit the like, guys, please. Please. Let's see. You can put all the ads you want, Dub. I got the premium. Oh, yeah, guys. And FYI, I got YouTube Premium, too. I've had it for years. Like, if you don't have YouTube Premium, that saves you so much time. Like, let me tell you guys something in terms of, like, money. Like, very, like, wealthy people think in terms of money. not money, in terms of time, not money, right? Like other people say, oh, I want to save money. Rich people want to save time, right? Because the more you can consume, like time, you get no more than 24 hours in a day. So if you could save time, $10 a month, you know how much information you could learn on YouTube? You know how much DubDigital videos you could watch on YouTube if you didn't have ads? Not trying to like hate on like YouTube's ad thing, but like, hey, I think it's worth it because guys, YouTube is the biggest library, the most effective library the world has ever seen. Use it to your advantage. I learned everything I know on YouTube. Just saying. What's your thoughts? Which thoughts? I got lots of them. Greg. What happened, GME and Wall Street Bets may actually be very good to crypto. Many people discussing decentralized social media and even stock mechanisms. Yeah, Martin, that's true. I've been saying that when it happened. Like Reddit and retail investors finally found that they could manipulate back. It's going to be great for crypto. It's going to be great because they finally got a taste of a 1,000%, a 10-bagger. People who've never invested in their lives got a 10-bagger. Now they're hooked. Where else can you get regular 10-baggers? Crypto. Once you give someone that shot in their brain of that dopamine when you make a big trade, you're done, sucker. Look what happened to me. I quit my job to do it. It's like the biggest shot of adrenaline, y'all. 24 people in the chat. What's good? Johnny Dub, yes, good info on the pump and dump ad. News might not understand exchange flash crashes, especially the risk of selling using market price sells, liquidity running out on the buy orders. Yeah, hey guys, everything I do, just FYI, is spot. I never do any leverage. Well, why? Well, guys, because I don't want to lose any money. I just don't even want that to be a possibility at all. Like the number one rule of making money is keeping your money. Leverage, if you don't have to use it and respect it, can kill your bags like nobody's business. 23 people in the chat. What's up, guys? All right, guys. Next one. Let's get to it. And then at the end, I'm out of the articles. Then we can just kick it, talk about whatever y'all want. But hey, guys, my last videos have been doing pretty well. Hopefully, I know that some of my videos, they lag the price explosions, but it's kind of like how I get down, Hopefully, you've gotten a little more confidence in my analysis as time moves on. Because I know that sometimes people are like, well, it hasn't moved up, bro. It hasn't moved up. Takes time, man. Takes time. Not a big deal. Russia's largest retail bank to launch stablecoin reports. Can't even say that. Sberbank or whatever. Filed an application to the Bank of Russia this month to launch a ruble-pegged digital currency. Wow. In brief, Russia's biggest bank, Sberbank, or Sberbank, I don't even know, this month applied to the Bank of Russia to release its own stablecoin, according to reports. The stablecoin would be pegged to the Russian ruble. It could be released as early as spring. Wow. So remember we talked about banks being able to issue stablecoins? There were some drafts in the House for that. Okay. Now we see actual pilot programs for central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Russia's one of them. DubDigital, that's only one, bro. That's dumb. No, it's not just one. Because we got this going on right here. London-based settlement and payments infrastructure provider today announced that Bank of France, BDF, or Banque de France, I think it stands for Bank of France, my bad, French people, has successfully completed a central bank digital currency, CBDC, transaction using the SETL blockchain that powers the IZNES fund platform. CBDC tokens were used to subscribe. Hold on, tripping. The CBDC tokens were used to subscribe to a fund on the platform and represent the world's first successful live settlement of a fund using a CBDC token. You can read the rest, but that's what you need to know. 24 people in the chat, how you feeling? What are you drinking? Loving it. Oh yeah, guys, there's more. China has the central bank digital currency going on. I think Switzerland got one going on. I know Singapore's got one going on. So if any of your friends are saying Bitcoin is going to be like made illegal, ask them what the hell they smoking. Pass it over. You know, like, guys, it's right in front of your face. We got funds, big old funds moving into blockchain. We got funds buying up blockchain companies, buying up coins. We got governments doing CBDCs. And we're not even done with the articles yet. Getting me so hype. Let's get it. 22 people in the chat. They didn't like that hype thing I just did. Losing people. All right, guys, let's see. Let me catch up. Alex, TZ. Pareto distribution. 30% of the workers do 100% of the work. It's all a pyramid scheme. I mean, yeah. You guys don't know what Pareto distribution is. It's basically like applies to everything in life. Most people do most of the work. Some people do none of the work. Happens all the time. But what you can do is learn what the people who don't do the work do, so you don't got to do all the damn work. Work's hard, bro. I don't know if y'all know. You probably do. Work's hard as hell. King Almond, I figured out the issue with the broadcast. You read the comments after 10 to 12 minutes. We're out of sync. You consider from the end of the queue instead of the top. You could consider read from the end of the queue instead of the top. Like my broadcast is just slow or what's up? I got that before. My sync's all messed up. Yeah. Okay. I'll try to. But then it's like people who like commented, I'm ignoring them, you know? Algorand has some pretty interesting ties. You know what? I've been asked to do an Algorand video. I got to do an Algorand video because, yeah, I've heard that all over too. I got to dig into it. AU crypto silver stacking. Voyager token is going to kill it this year. It has been too bad I ignored the person that was telling me to jump in at 10 cents. Yeah, people have been saying Voyager's killing it too. But hey, you know what? You can't like get mad all the time about missing things. I missed synthetics at 80 cents. It's like 16 bucks now. I missed Elrond at like 50 cents. It's like 43 bucks now. That's just the way it goes, man. G Murphy, NFTs, NBA top shots, boom. Is that, Gene, is that those NFTs they're making of like NBA dunks and stuff? That's pretty interesting. But what stops someone from just taking the same clip, making their own GIF, you know? Alex CZ, new up 25% since your new video. Thanks for the videos. No problem, man. No problem. I'm looking at new, and it's just like so new. It's so new, man. Like, new people are going to come into Coinbase. And if you guys don't know, new people come to Coinbase. They don't know what Bitcoin is. They don't know what crypto is. They just know that they want to be part of the fun because their friends making money and they feel left out. They start throwing their money around. I'm in all the coins that they throw their money at. I make money. That's all it takes, guys. All it takes. DB, OXT is backed by Pantera Capital. Big whale holders are in OXT at 80 plus 80 cents. Get in now while at 30. Hey, I mean, I picked up my position around 30-ish, 25-ish, 25, I think. Yeah, I mean, that's what I first told you guys in my videos. I was going in. I don't hide anything, guy. All right, 18 people in the chat. Central banks must play pivotal role in digital money, says Biz. And guys, just so you know, the Biz is the Bank of International Settlements. It's above the IMF, which is the International Monetary Fund. The International Monetary Fund is above like the Fed and all that. So the Biz is like based in Basel, Switzerland, and they set pretty much the monetary litigation and all that stuff for the entire world. They're huge. With the central bank digital currencies or CBDCs on the agenda in many countries, the general manager of the Bank of International Settlements has weighed in on the role of the mainstream financial establishment in the emerging digital currency landscape. If digital money is to exist, the central bank must play a pivotal role, guaranteeing the stability of value, ensuring the elasticity of the aggregate supply of such money, and overseeing the overall security of the system. Such a system must not fail and cannot tolerate any serious mistakes. Okay, let's just read this next one and we're done. Overall, private stable coins cannot serve as a basis of sound monetary system. There may yet be meaningful specific use cases for stablecoins, but to remain credible, they need to be heavily regulated and supervised. They need to build on the foundations and trust provided by existing central banks, thus be a part of the existing financial system. Okay, whatever. So we knew they would say some bull like that, didn't we? Big old bank, biggest bank in the world, based in Basel, Switzerland. Switzerland is like the safe haven for money. You think they would just kind of like embrace crypto with open arms? What I'm hearing from this guys, and they speak in like little like hints and symbolism, it's weird. They talk to each other like that. But like what I hear them saying is, we can't stop crypto. We'll let crypto come through. We're gonna have central bank digital currencies, but in regarding to any other crypto, we're gonna approve them or not. They're gonna accept certain blockchains that fit within their criteria. What will those be? That probably depends on the country. I'll tell you what. You might want for America, you might want to look at Grayscale. Grayscale's trust. What do they offer? Who are they offering the people a lot of money? Because Grayscale wouldn't offer stuff to people that just like gets blowed up. You know what I'm saying? Check out Grayscale. Hint, hint, check out Grayscale. Was I subtle enough for you guys? 20 people in the chat. All right. Jimmy, I'm seeing some big players put money into coins listed on Coinbase because of the CB getting listed on stocks. Exposure makes sense. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if like the coins would benefit from that IPO though. Like, like why would the coins benefit? I know that people might get attracted to Coinbase more because it's going to be like in the public eye a lot. But I don't know if it has anything to do with the equity of Coinbase. What's up, man? What's up? How you doing? Welcome to Crypto and Coffee. What are you drinking? 19 people in the chat. How's it going? King Almond. Ukraine also worked on CBDC. Yeah. What do you guys notice? Everyone's working on a CBDC, huh? Matt, you sleeping on the couch? Drinking vodka? Matt, you're a man after my own heart, bro. Keep doing your thing. Gene, everything running good. No lag here on the East Coast. Thanks, Gene. Hey, you know what? Right now, like, this is the internet I got. But I'm probably going to move sometime soon. And I'm going to make sure that it can stream like a beast. Hang tight, guys. The DubDigital is trying to make it better. Arash, where's your top cryptos you're holding right now? Or what are they? I mean, pretty much anything on my channel, but I have a large percent in Bitcoin always because I do this. Not saying you guys gotta do it. And if you do it, like not financial advice, do your own research and like understand the risk. But I use my Bitcoin as collateral. I provide it to like a lending protocol or a lending like company. Right now I'm using Salt Lending. And I deposit Bitcoin there. I take money out and then I put it into like cryptos I think will pop off because I think we're so at the bottom. But again, guys, that takes some experience. It takes a lot of balls, okay? So if you do that, assume your own risk. Not telling you to do it. But with that said, like Bitcoin, love it just because it holds its value so much. I have a lot of Ethereum because I bought a lot last cycle because I had a hunch that Ethereum was going to do what Bitcoin is doing now. A lot of people think the same thing. I got a lot of Litecoin coin because, like, why not? Silver, Bitcoin's gold, it's cool, you know. I went to the first Litecoin summit. I like Horizon a lot right now. Undervalued coin, I think, you know, might be doing some big things later on is Zcash. I like Zcash. I mean, I have bags of OXT. I got SXP bags. I got pretty much bags of everything on my channel. I don't look at it like that though, to be honest, man. I look at it more like what hasn't taken off yet, I'm gonna pack a bag. What hasn't taken off yet, I'm gonna pack a bag. Okay, it starts taking off. I'm not interested in adding anymore. What else hasn't taken off? I'm gonna pack a bag. I'm like looking at like planes that are about to take off the runway. And I'm just like, oh, that's gone. That's gone. You see what I'm saying? So like, I'm going to see what my favorite coin is coming down the line. Right now is just like, I don't know. I got coins still sitting on the floor. I let the cryptos prove to me who deserves the praise. You know what I'm saying? All right. 19 people on the chat. I like it. We got 2 more articles, guys, and we can just kick it. Ethereum devs must face jury for allegedly helping North Korea invade sanctions. What? For real? Virgil Griffith, a crypto developer accused for helping North Korea evade sanctions through speaking at, not even going to try that one, crypto conference in 2019, must now face a jury. Oh, I think I remember this. He was like kind of like explaining stuff. A New York federal judge has denied an Ethereum developer's motion to dismiss criminal charges over allegations he assisted the North Korean regime to bypass U.S. sanctions. The developer and former hacker, Virgil Griffith, is accused of helping North Korea evade economic sanctions by delivering a speech in April 2019. Those names, man, I can't even deal with that. What do you say? Oh, wow. He said this. We'd love to make an Ethereum trip to DPRK and set up an Ethereum node. It'll help them circumvent the current sanctions on them. Man, but like, okay. What do you guys think about that? Like, is Virgil Griffith, the hacker dude, tripping? Like, I get it. But what's the deal? It's like public knowledge, right? It's like public domain knowledge that you can do that with Ethereum. So should he be going to jail for that? Like, I get where it's like, well, you're helping the enemy, but it's like, but the enemy could just like do a quick Google search. What's the big deal? Like, honestly, whatever. What do you guys think? RT, I missed Ave at 25 bucks. It's 300 now. That's the name of the game, guys. Can't beat yourself up about it. You're going to go crazy. You're going to FOMO. You're going to lose all your money, sleep on the couch, and drink vodka for dinner. You know, like, hey, take it on the chin. Look for the next opportunity. There's not only one opportunity. Don't be a lack mindset kind of person where you're like, oh, I missed my chance to get rich. I suck now. Like, oh my God, I'm going to sleep on the couch. No, man, this is crypto. The bull run just started. There's going to be a lot of opportunities to get on coins. Don't fall in love with one. Don't freak out. It's going to be all good. Arash. Fine, Dub. Fine? I don't know what to say about that, man. Crypto Junkie, what's up? Max supply. 1.7 mil. TRB. Chainlink alternative only $30. Low supply. Oh, so it's a data oracle? I like Chainlink alternatives, Crypto Junkie. Like, you guys see my early videos, I was covering Band. If Chainlink can do this, why would there only be one oracle, guys? Like, can someone explain that to me? Like, I get like link brains and all that, and everyone loves Chainlink, but like, why is it the only oracle though? Like, we got banned. Sounds like there's. Oh, this is Teller. Yeah. 30 USD. Man, it's 30 USD. I remember it being way less than that. Interesting. Might want to check that one out, guys. Your introduction of WAN and YouTube is great. Yeah. Hey, guys, WAN chain, man. Everyone's sleeping on WAN chain. Everyone hates LAN chain. I like the projects everyone hates. Because usually people are just haters, man. Just freaking haters. They could be as proud as they want. I'm going to pick that up. Make some moolah. Like that. All right. Hey, you. Who's ready for the XRP pump? Ready to do a quick trade on Atomic Wallet if it hits past the $1.50? We're going to jump into the coins real quick, guys. Let me see. Oh, you know what? Hey, you. That's a perfect segue. Ripple demands to know why Ether isn't a security as XRP defense gets desperate. Ripple has filed a Freedom of Information Act request with the SEC, which targets documents pertaining to Ethereum co-founders. Ripple's case before the Securities and Exchange Commission is threatening to have major ripple effects for the industry. Haha. The dad jokes. The dad jokes. I love dad jokes. All right. Ripple representative told Cointelegraph, the SEC has clearly picked two winners and ignore a growing and robust industry that is much larger than Bitcoin and Ether. In addition to discovery, we will seek directly in the lawsuit. We filed a Freedom of Information Act, FOIA, request for more information about how the SEC determined the status of Ether as a non-security. Yeah, guys, I mean, honestly, like, that's for real, though. Let's be real. I'm with XRP on this. Like, guys, if you don't know, I used to work at a defense contractor. Like, has to do with space, defense. I think I've said it before. I used to work at Northrop Grumman and some other ones. Guys, I used to get hit up all the time by companies being like, hey, how did you award this contract? Show me your criteria. Can you walk it through with us with our lawyers present? Like, that's very typical for private sector to do. I was expecting XRP to be like, hey, hold up. Hold up. Show me your, like, analysis for Ethereum. What did you do? How do I know you're not being biased towards me? That's totally within their right. I would like to see that, by the way. Why Bitcoin, Ethereum? Why not XRP, guys? Let's put our hate for XRP aside, because that blinds our ability to think clearly and see the future for how it actually might play out. Let's put it aside and think about it. Why not XRP? Why not? Because Ripple holds a lot of XRP? Okay, there's a lot of entities that hold a whole lot of Bitcoin and a whole lot of Ether. And a lot of them are in China. So why not XRP? Well, they sell on to their customers or whatever, investors. Okay, they own the XRP. I dump coins periodically. It's not because I hate you guys. It's because I own it. Like, why not XRP? I'd like to hear your thoughts on that. All right, let me jump over to Cointelegraph real quick, though. Get my keyboard out here. 20 people on the chat. We're an hour in. Feeling so hype. I came up here on YouTube. 26 followers to my name. I got 2,000 now. Wolfpack. Loving it. All right, Cointelegraph. You guys see my earlier videos, though? They're trashed. They're trash, man. Horrible. But you know what? We work with what we got. Cointelegraph, I don't want to be here. Coin market cap. All right. Yo, there's a Wall Street Bets coin, though. What is this? Y'all know what that is? This can't be a coin. They probably made a freaking coin. I don't even know. That's funny. Crypto Junkie, I'm farming Wasp on WAN chain. Same here. I've been farming for a long time, like a month or two. Hey, I'd like to have a whole bunch of liquidity in that platform because it's all about liquidity providers. You know, after they do this WASP mining thing, you know they're going to have to bridge other blockchains like DOT, XRP, and they're going to change the incentive so liquidity flows there. So I'm just going to be like moving my thing here, making a whole bunch of money. I like that. All right, what did we say? What was the thing? TRB. I heard Lark. What is the name? Lark Davis now? Like Crypto Lark, whatever, Crypto Lark. I heard him talk about this a long time ago. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's not looking bad though. Guys, so this is like a decentralized oracle. Isn't this like an EOS coin? I don't even know. Let's see. I don't tell you nothing, but you can pick it up. Binance, Huobi, OKX. Okay. Interesting. 30 cents. Last all-time high was $70. You cannot get like a nice, like, you know, 2-to-1 move. This thing could drop down maybe, what, 50%? But you can make, yeah, that's a pretty nice risk setup, to be honest. Huh, interesting. If you guys are curious, go check it out. My bad, guys. I'm trying to switch the style up real quick. Nah, I'm gonna stay here. 17 people in the chat. Thanks for staying with me, guys. It's fun. It's fun. My girl gave me this bracelet. She said I need to be more grounded. I don't even know what that really means. But I told her, sure, babe. All right. Arash, what do you think? CTK project on Binance. I don't even know. Is this it? Certic? Oh, I don't even know, man. Like, if this is the right one, that's not much to work with. This thing is new as hell. October 25th. See, my analysis, man, technically speaking, without knowing the coin, is as good as the chart I got. This is not a lot to work with. However, we do see initial pump up and like some consolidation. I mean, that kind of looks like a head and shoulder right here, but we'll see. It's a risk. It's a risk. That's why I say new coins are always a risk, man. It could come up and come right down. It can go up and come lower. Or it can go up. I don't know. I don't know much about it, man. Tell me a little about it. 16 people in the chat. Hey, you. Wall Street Bets token is a joke by CoinMarketCap. Is it? I don't even know if people understand that. I didn't. But I wouldn't buy it. That's funny. I mean, where do they get the valuation for, though? What? That's just a joke? All right, let's just scroll down here and see what else we got. What's happening here? And guys, what I like to do is this. Check it out. Whenever there's like big movements in crypto, I just like to come over here on the 7-day and see what's popping off. Obviously, Wall Street Bets, that's not real, but Doge, that's 7 days, almost 300%. Voyager, 1 inch. Phantom, I used to have a whole bunch. I sold that a long time ago. Hey, Elron, see $62. See, guys, I missed that. What am I gonna do? Own every freaking crypto? No, I can't own every freaking crypto. But you know, it stings a little bit in the feels, right in the feels. Let's look at XRP real quick. Hey guys, if you haven't watched my XRP video, I talk about a fractal I think I found in XRP. Cause look, like I go over it. It's like right here. Like what we're experiencing right here reminds me of this right here. Before that. Now that's not financial advice. But all I'm saying to you is this. If everyone's just trying to make you feel all bearish or XRP, maybe they're just freaking haters. Because I lay out very beautifully why XRP probably will still have a future. Go watch the video. It's the last one I did in XRP. Japan's all about XRP. SBI Group's all about XRP. Who's SBI Group? A banking consortium in Japan. But what do I know? Maybe I'm a weirdo. 20 people in the chat. All right. I'll do the Ave. No chart? Why? This is it, right? Boy, market cap don't want us to do it, man. Let me see if there's another one. There shouldn't be. No, this is different. Sorry, man. I'll try again. I'll try later. DB OXT. Man, DB's been over here saying OXT the whole stream. I got to look at it real quick. I like the effort. Wow there. Whoa there, guys. Look at that chart. How's that chart look to you guys? It looks a lot like what I was talking about in my video. And I think I owe OXT an update next. But guys, look. A lot of people came running in OXT. And people who are new to crypto, I'm gonna walk you through the psychology of a pump. No one likes it here. They think you're dumb. Oh, so what? OXT stupid. Dumb. You're dumb. Poop. Oh, a little bit. See, you shouldn't have bought it. You're dumb. People love to tell you you're dumb in crypto. They love it. But then that happens. And then they get like, oh, it's not dumb. Oh, I want to get in. And everyone starts buying in. They think it's awesome. They're making some money on the way up. They think it's awesome. They think they're a pro trader. And then it comes out from under them and it falls about 70%, like it just happened. Now, I was looking at this thing occurring. I didn't know much about OXT before the pump. I looked into it after the pump because I saw how fast it moved up and the people getting into it were newer. And I said, hey, this thing's going to come down. I got in around, what is this? Like 25 to 22 cents. I waited for this thing to correct and I started getting in. And I've gotten in along the way. But that's how you build a position. But you got to have some discipline not buying into the pump. And you have to also have some faith that the asset is quality and it's going to go up again. But look at this. See that? This low is lower than this low. So essentially the lows are getting higher. So if you were to draw a bottom trend line, we're on TradingView, we would see like a pretty clean upward slanting trend line. Now with that said, look, if I could draw it, there's like a triangle forming here, it looks like, or a rising wedge or something. Now based off of the fractal that I plotted in my video, I don't think it's gonna go down much farther. That's not financial advice though. Orchid got awarded a CNET Innovation Award. You know what other technologies got that? It was like the new Apple microchip. It was like the CV-19 vaccine and Orchid and a few others. What the hell is Orchid doing getting one of those awards? Why is Orchid the only crypto getting that award? And did you guys know? Though if you watch my WAN chain video, you will find out that Orchid is part of the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance. Ooh, DubDigital, you're doing all this digging for us. Thank you, DubDigital. I know. I do it for the Wolfpack. Guess who else is part of the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance? New Cipher. That's funny. I got a video on them on my profile too. 21 people in the chat. Christopher Price. What up, Dub? I was looking forward to watching your live stream today. Thoughts on DGB, UAE, block 30 with Humble. I don't know what that last part means, Chris. Do you see it going up as Humble progresses? What is that? Did I talk about Humble? I mean, I know about the UAE and the ZPay and ZellaPay or whatever. But like DGB, let's just pull them up. But I don't know what that is, man. Or if I do, I don't understand the acronym. Bye. Let's go. 21 people in the chat. So in my video, man, like my thoughts still stand, right? There might be some up and down fluctuations on Digibyte, but like at the end of the day, what I think Digibyte's doing is doing like an ascending triangle, and then it's gonna make a move higher. Because Digibyte typically moves up fast and down fast. You guys gotta know like how the nature of your coin moves. Is it a steady grower like the Bitcoin? Alts typically tend to like go up pretty quickly. Okay, so like with that said though, like Digibyte's not gonna do a nice steady climb. It never really has. Look at the price chart, right? So this thing's probably gonna build up, you know, move within a range, and then one day some volume's gonna come in here and shoot this thing up, just like it got shot up 600% early in 2020. But my bad, Chris. I don't know what that other part is. I just try to give you like something useful though. XRP def not going nowhere. Hey guys, also think of it like this. You guys can think whatever you want to think about XRP, but think of it like this. If there's people who have a lot of something, and those people have a lot of money, do you think they'll just let it die? That's why Bitcoin Cash hasn't died. That's why Ethereum Classic hasn't died. There's a lot of people with XRP. Just pay attention with that, guys. Like, why hasn't Ethereum Classic died? I'll tell you why. A lot of people who got really rich off Ethereum have Ethereum Classic. Why hasn't Bitcoin Cash died? A lot of people who got rich off of Bitcoin have Bitcoin Cash. You got to think about how the money thinks and what they're invested in. Omo1 Gaming. Have you noticed that when BTC dumps, altcoins remain strong and does not dump as hard back then? That's interesting. Yeah. I mean, you're starting to see a more resilience, a strength in altcoins that we didn't see just a year ago. If you guys have been in crypto for some amount of time, typically when Bitcoins dump, like altcoins just like lose their freaking mind and dump harder. But now we actually have coins going up against Bitcoin when it dumps, which is very significant. It's got a lot to do with that Bitcoin dominance chart I go over in my videos. You know, when people feel bullish of the space, when money starts flowing and people start making money, they stop caring that much what Bitcoin's doing because they see these coins flying off the wall. And it's really a transition between like wanting to be safe to greed, right? So this is interesting to see. And if we get an alt season, we need that dynamic to change significantly. Because we can't have Bitcoin dipping and stopping altcoin season like that. Altcoin season when all this stuff reaches a fever pitch. And just give you an example if you're new, Litecoin went from $2 to $400. Hello. What other coin am I like been covering that's like sitting around $2 right now? Oh yeah, EOS. DubDigital. No one likes EOS. EOS is a scam. Okay, guys, but like, look, you could just do the projections based off of previous history. Litecoin $2 to $400. EOS $270. Where's it gonna go? It's probably gonna be higher or around Litecoin's price. Like, this is just like basic concepts, but it's not crazy. And when you understand what's really going on here, guys, it's pretty simple, right? They're printing more money. There's more dollars in circulation. When there's more dollars in circulation, that means there's more dollars floating around to value assets. Cryptocurrencies are assets. More money meets cryptocurrency means higher dollar price. Bada bang. So it's not going to be that simple. And yeah, there's going to be times where you can buy too high. But guys, the stage is set and big money is agreeing with me now. They're starting to move into crypto because they see the writing on the wall. I think CTK is one of a in-kind in terms of security. Shield and Oracle. Do analysis of it later. Thanks. Yeah, I'll look into it, man. It's an Oracle? Good to know. Alright, let's see what else, though. Hey, you. Thoughts on the graph? Think it will pass all time since it's battling resistance level. Well, yo, I'll tell you what. I got in the graph when it got down to 30 cents because I just said, like, this happens in new coins. Guys, I was a part of the airdrop for Uni token, right? Got a whole bunch of uni for free. That thing right out the gate shot up to, what was it, $8 and fell down. Look at the graph. Shot up to 70 cents, came down. I bought in like right here. Now it's going back up. Now we're sitting at 70 cents. Yo, it's already at all-time high. But see how that goes? In a bear market, you got to be careful about buying corrections and buying blood. And that's why you got to be aware of the macro setup. Because at a certain point in time, buying the dips does not work. At a certain point in time, buying the dips will get you freaking wrecked. And how do I know that? Because I did that. I didn't understand that. I bought into the dip while things were going down. I got wrecked. Just want to bring you guys like a public service announcement. Right now, while the trend's up and crypto is in its bull run, buying the dip will probably pay off more times than you get burned. But at a certain point in time, it's not that easy. It's not that simple, and you can lose all your gains. See, and that's why you follow this channel, though. I'm just trying to tell you guys and get you guys hold on some of those gains. You know what I'm saying? But the graph, I just bought down here. I said this thing's gonna go up. It's going up. Look at this big old bowl shape. We got like an ascending triangle here. Obviously, I can't even. But volume's not really impressing me, but that'll come with time. And this, who knows what this thing's gonna end up at? This is a Coinbase coin too, guys. I'm starting to like pick up more and more Coinbase coins because I know new money's coming in and I don't know what the hell they're doing. And I'll take that money. 21 people in the chat. Guys, thanks for celebrating with me this fine Sunday. I can't complain. I got 20,000, almost. I got 2,000 followers, man. I ain't never thought I'd get 2,000 followers in my life. So proud. One Gaming. It's like gold with stocks, not BTC with altcoins. You know what? I wouldn't really liken that comparison 100%. Like I would say it's not Bitcoin and like Bitcoin and altcoins aren't like gold and stocks. Bitcoin and altcoins are like gold and silver, right? Because like cryptocurrency isn't really an equity. It's not equity in, well, I guess it's equity on a chain, right? But like in terms of how they move, they're very, very similar to the gold to silver ratio. You guys don't know how to like make plays on that. A lot of people think trading is just like buy the asset, sell it for dollars. Buy the asset, sell it for dollars. No, there's relative trading where you can actually like trade Bitcoin against altcoins to get more altcoins. You trade altcoins against Bitcoin to get more Bitcoin. You trade Bitcoin for gold to get more gold. Like you can trade relatively speaking. Excuse me. So like what I like to do is this. I only make like, I don't do a whole bunch of trades. I wait for like the macro trend to like max out. I'll switch into Bitcoin. Bitcoin will run up again. I'll wait for that to max out or at least go high. Then I switch, diversify out some into altcoins. So altcoins run again. See, I'm just moving my money where it's hot to where it's not because it's going to be hot later. You know what I'm saying? So you guys don't got to do all this in, out, in, out. You could ride the trend or you could do whatever the hell you want. This is not financial advice. What do you think about marketing in the WAM project? I think they're doing great, but in terms of marketing, they are weak. Maybe they don't know how. Nah, man. I mean, when, like, look, like I have a lot of experience working with corporate, like corporations, like with my last job. I was basically like, I was that dude, right? I was a contracting officer pretty much. And like, dude, look, corporations, they keep their stuff under wraps a lot. Looking at WAN chain, they hit all their engineering milestones. I was in supply chain and I had to check up on companies every week for building stuff for the US government. Be like, hey, you guys on track? Never on track. It's weird. They're never on track. You would think they're like all over it. They're never on track. WAN chains at least hitting their milestones. I got to give it to them. I got respect for that because I come from a place where no one ever hit their damn milestones, right? They got like, they're hinting at a partnership. There's hinting that it's a really, really big corporation or a sovereign entity like a government. Well, what do we know about Wanchain? We know that they have close ties to China. At least like a lot of the people who work in the project are from China, like the head of VP of engineering and all of that. Okay, so if we know that, some of the companies that they said possibly could be like working with were like utility companies in China. Okay, so with that said, what do we know about, like, I see this as a trend developing in crypto. You look all around, EOS is quiet. They say they're doing stuff, but they're really quiet. Wanchain's really quiet. You got a few of these blockchains that I know that they have something up their sleeve, but they're staying quiet. And this is where the legal side of things come into play. We are not privy to everything going on. We're not privy to some of the NDAs I'm sure have been signed. So with that said, I mean, I think Wanchain is laying low until their customer gets more comfortable with making it public. But as far as like getting like grassroots, getting the word out about Wanchain, hey, that's the least I could do. You know, I'm not going to tell them how to do their business. But as far as I know, the less people know about it early on, the more liquidity I could suck up. I just become more and more of a whale. But, you know, it would be cool, right? Like, it would be cool to see, like, some sponsored vids and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm not tripping about it, though, man. Because, like, the way I see it, crypto, like, moves in phases. We got the Bitcoin going up first. Then we got the big altcoins like Chainlink and Ethereum going up next. Or second, or whatever. Then we got the small caps. Wanchain's a small cap, man. Like, it's not going to be popping off right now. It's too small, you know? So we'll see. I think they know how. There's some very, very qualified people working at Wanchain. I'm pretty in the weeds with the stuff. Mac Attack, yo, Dub, add a boy on 20K subs. Thank you, bro. Thank you. You know, hey guys, like, I started this YouTube channel 8 months ago. I quit my freaking job. I said I had it. This is bull. I quit. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. No one believed me. Everyone laughed at me. Who's laughing now, suckers? We about to make so much money. I don't even know what to do with it. I got 20,000, 2,000 new subs. I'm live streaming with on Sunday. We just kicking it, drinking coffee with the homies. Man, that's dope. Full blow. Morning, Dub. What do you think about Block 1 with 240,000 Bitcoin? Are you trying to stake BTC with EOS? Hold up. I'm trying to understand. Well, what do I think about the 240,000 Bitcoin? Well, in my video, guys, I said 140,000. So Brendan Bloomer's tweet, he's like the CEO of EOS and Block 1. He said that they have well over 140,000. So I'm assuming it's 240,000. That's a whole lot of a Bitcoin. Like, that's a fat war chest. It makes me think, like, what are they gonna do with it, man? Like, it's probably gonna be that bullish.com domain that they did. It's probably gonna be some kind of DeFi protocol that's like deep as hell with liquidity. But with that said, what do you mean by am I trying to stake BTC with EOS? Like wrap it? Oh, you mean like wrap it like with PBTC? Guys, and you know how like there's like a wrapped BTC on Ethereum? If you don't know about the EOS, like if you don't know about EOS, they have an alternative to that called PBTC. And like what people do is they introduce their Bitcoin via PBTC and then they like stake it in the EOS like environment. Am I trying to do that? No, I'm not trying to do that because I use my Bitcoin in other ways, man. Like I just talked about how I use Salt lending to borrow against my Bitcoin. And then I buy spot with that stuff. That's not financial advice. I don't suggest doing that if you're not practiced. It's basically going long without getting a leverage position on it. But like, that's interesting to see. If like there's very, very attractive like interest rates on it, I'd think about it. But right now I'm not doing that. All right, guys. What else is popping out here? Let's just see. But guys, when I want to find blood, I just come to Coin Market Cap. I just do this thing where I like brings me up like the most bleeding coins for 24 hours. Like, why 24 hours? Because like sometimes prices drop farther than they should. They're not there for long though. So like typically if the market's tripping and they have a mistake, this is where I find the sales. And we don't see very much sales at all. Like, I'm not even interested in these single digits. That's dumb. I'm talking about like 20%. I'm talking like 30%. I'm talking like 40%. That's what piques my interest. You know, so Phantom, well, that thing just ran up. RSR, Hedera back at 7 cents. Wow. Hey, but we were collecting at 3. Pack the bags early, yo. 24 people in the chat. That's dope. What do you guys think, though? I'm interested. How do you guys see this playing out? You think it's time for altcoin season yet? That's what the chart says. You guys scared? Don't know what to make of crypto? Sleeping on a couch? Drinking vodka for dinner? What's up? Thoughts on VIDT? I don't even know. Doesn't have a chart, man. 50 cents though. Has it pumped? I can't see the chart. 409th, I should be able to see the chart. Sorry, man. Haven't heard of it again. You're bringing out these fire ones I never heard of, man. I gotta check these out. I'll go back, rewatch the stream and get these coins, because you're bringing them out of left field. I ain't never heard of them, and I hear a lot of coins. Hey Wolf, here from Portugal. So do you are a EOS believer to long term? Okay, so am I an EOS believer for long term? And what's up, man? Welcome to Wolfpack. Long term speaking, where do I see crypto going, guys? Like, as I matured as an investor in crypto, I used to think like I'm the smartest dude ever. I'm so smart. Like, I know exactly what's gonna happen. I can predict what's gonna be. This coin's stupid. This coin's the truth. Like, I'm just gonna tell you guys this: get rid of that way of thinking. It's not gonna serve you well. Don't be impressed with yourself. Yes, we're all smart, but we don't know what's gonna happen, right? But like, with that said, one crypto is not gonna do everything. Every crypto has a drawback, right? So with that said, why wouldn't it make more sense for all these protocols to work together in the future? And I think EOS has a place for that. Well, why do I think that? Check it out. You know what? I'm gonna give you guys my secret sauce right now. I don't even care. I got 2K subs. I don't care. Grayscale. Very important. You guys need to go follow Grayscale right now on Twitter. If you want to follow my channel, you need to go follow Grayscale right now on Twitter. Why? Because they're telling you what's happening right in your face. All products. Haha, Grayscale Investment Products. Grayscale Investments LLC. Grayscale. Hey, and I'm getting your question right now, man. Is world's largest digital asset manager with more than 20.2 billion assets under management. How many cryptos are there, guys? How many? Like 3,000, 4,000, 6,000? Well, they only got like 7 to 10 crypto products up here. And this is offered to institutional investors and like rich family offices and stuff. This is like one of the most bona fide digital asset sellers in America. Why are they only selling Bitcoin Trust, Bitcoin Cash Trust, Ethereum Trust, Ethereum Classic Trust, Horizon Trust, Litecoin Trust, Stellar Lumens Trust, Zcash Trust? Maybe because you know how China made a blockchain system? Maybe America's making their own blockchain system. And maybe these are the coins. There's a lot of ifs, ands, and buts, and candies and nuts. But look, guys, this is the most bona fide. Big money's flowing into this. And what's not on here, and if you follow me on Twitter, I tweeted it out, that it's rumored that an entity just got started by Grayscale. A trust just got started by Grayscale for EOS. Why would EOS be added to this? Because EOS has like 0 gas fees, almost. It's negligible. We got Brandon Blummer talking about how they're going to use EOS to scale Bitcoin. It's faster. It's cheaper. There's a use case for EOS moving forward. Hey, you can like say dub your dumb, like EOS does a whole bunch of other stuff that a lot of other blockchains do. That may be true. But all I know is EOS has an office in Washington, D.C. You do the math. So as far as long-term, how long-term? But I think it's going to do pretty well. I mean, you know, I have a big old position on it. Not financial advice. Because, guys, no one believes in it. When no one believes in it, I'm into it. Gets me all worked up. Thanks for the input, Dub. Oh, congrats on 2K. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Damn, RSR back at 33. Might have to pick some up. Yeah, check it out, RSR. I got in here. I want to show you guys where I got an RSR. I got it off of what do you call it? Uniswap. I got an RSR like right here. Look at that. Look at that. Who needs Wall Street bets? We got crypto right here. Am I missing something? Wall Street bets who? All you need is Uniswap. RT, Grayscale has incorporated 6 more trusts, including one for Polka and Aave. Is that, I know that was rumors, but has that been, because we've been on their website, man. Has that happened yet? Yeah, but I heard Polkadot too. I mean, what else you guys want to hear? Why would I want to get into those coins? Well, because I know there's a whole bunch of money that could only get into those coins. Right? At a certain point, like, price appreciation is more money flowing into an asset. Why wouldn't you put yourself in assets that more money is going to flow into? You know? Hey, you, Tezos, the reason I missed out in a lot of gains. So stubborn to exit position even when I'm in profit. Yeah. If you guys don't practice selling, you might want to. Because if you never practice selling, it's going to be impossible to sell when you're in all-time highs like in a year from now. That's something I practice a lot in this last half a year. Selling. Being okay with letting it go. Because like making money's funny, man. You got to be okay with letting your money go. And then you have to be okay with letting, like, pulling the profit and keeping the asset from running too long. Like, that's why, though, like, I just pull, like, percentages of my bag. So I never have to make that hard decision. But I hear you on that one, man. All right, what else? Holy moly. Oh, my God. Uniswap, 18 bucks? Oh my God. Guys, I got this for free. That's dope. I'm gonna do my calculator math later. Whew. Who else got into uni? Who else got into uni? I gotta know. You gotta celebrate. New pass 28 cents. Oh my God. See, these altcoins are jumping, huh? Loving it. 26 here. Oh, no. Chart's just freaking out. My bad, dude. All right. Hey, news seems hot. And I want to show you guys something. I'm going to show you guys this right now, but like, you got to promise to watch my video later. please. All right. Ethereum Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, the largest enterprise Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, basically it's a bunch of companies getting together to make sure and find out how they can leverage Ethereum's technology to benefit them, right? I'm gonna go to the members real quick. Organizational members. What is that right there, guys? Is that New Cipher? It is New Cipher. They're in the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance. Matic, Microsoft. Oh yeah, and Wanchain. The coin everyone thinks just trash. You're gonna want to watch my video on Wanchain, because that's not the only piece of evidence that show you that Ethereum has ties to Wanchain. What if I told you Jack Lew had somewhat of a personal relationship with Vitalik? Not like that, but they worked together and they hung out. What if I presented you a picture of that? I'm shaking hands and all that, smiling. Maybe you should watch the video. Now guys, check it out, man. Like, Wanchain's in here, News in here, Matic's in here, my utility provider's in here, LG's in here, Cardia Labs. Is that like Cardia Chain? They're in there. JP Morgan's in here. Ernest Young's in here. Vidal's in here, I think. Maybe that's not the right one. Accenture. And Aeon. Aeon, that's an altcoin that I haven't heard about in a long time. RT, me too. Crypto Junkie. I sold all my uni. I regret it now. Yeah, man. Like, coins I get for free, why the hell wouldn't I let them ride? You know, like, it's free to me. And that's the way I like to think, though, guys. And I would challenge you to think that way, too. You know? If you get something for free, let it ride. If you're sitting in profit, you pulled your initial capital off on a position, let it ride. The trend's your friend, man. Like, we took so long to get here. You know, it took so many years to get here. Ride the trend. Like, I know people, their feelings are hurt, they're scarred, they're jaded from the last bear market. But guys, like, it's starting to get easier now, don't you see? Hey, you. Uni calculation, live dub, we want that live reaction, LOL. I like to keep it a little separated, man. No calc here. But hey, you know, it's turning into like multiple months rent. I love that. I hate rent. I already did that one. But I made free 2,000 USD from uni. Yeah. And if you reinvested it, then it's like you're riding it somewhere. It's just not in uni. The reason I liked uni, though, is because, like, look, as the bull market was just getting going, or I wasn't even sure at that point we're in a bull market, like, I was spreading myself all around. I had like a whole bunch of altcoins, like 33 at some point, if you guys remember. But since then, I've been consolidating based off of what I've seen in the market. Who's been performing, who's doing stuff I like, who's not performing, who's not doing stuff I like. I start, you know, if I'm in profit, start pulling that profit and putting it into the projects that I do like. As time moves on, I want to get more and more into the coins on Coinbase, because as time moves on in the bull run, more and more people from the outside of crypto come in. Those people don't have any type of knowledge on crypto. They just buy whatever the hell. And they're going to buy where it's easiest to buy it at. They're going to buy it at Coinbase. Uni supported on Coinbase. People are looking at Uni and they're like, it's only like 18 bucks. Like, these other coins are thousands of bucks. They think Uni's cheap. Like, say what you want about that, but at a certain point, it doesn't really have to make sense. That's why bull markets go up so high. It doesn't make sense. Like, we're sitting over here killing ourselves, right? Trying to analyze prices, look at charts, reading the details. Guys, that's the legwork in the beginning. So you set yourself up in quality products. After a while, it's going to get easy, but that's dangerous to you because you're going to think it's just easy forever. Just know the day of reckoning's coming. Charlie Lee said that. He sold all his Litecoin at $400. I wish I listened to that fool. I just thought he was a jerk. But now I know he's showing me that tough love, you know? 21 people in the chat. I like that. Almost 2 hours in. What's up? How you guys doing? WanChain was not nice to 2018 investors. I know. That's why I like it. Why do I like it? Because it wasn't nice? Well, because everyone hates it. The investors in 2018 hate WanChain. They hate it so much. But whenever there's a lot of hate, it's like not rational, right? I understand people not liking what had occurred because the price went down. But yo, me too, man. I wasn't even a WanChain at the time, but I lost a lot of money too. I mean, I didn't lose it because I didn't sell it. But you hear what I'm saying? Like, you got to be aware we're like, okay, that was my bad. You have to be big enough to say that was my bad. I'm never going to let that happen to me again. Let me find ways and learn ways so it doesn't happen to me again. Because WanChain going down wasn't because of WanChain. It's because of the bear market, man. Show me an altcoin that stayed up. There ain't any, right? So it's not really WanChain. You know, but with that said, while there's a misunderstanding of what had occurred, people think WanChain just scammed them. That's not the case. And while that misconception in the mind still is present, I'm sneaking in on the bottom. I'm sneaking in on the bottom. You know, that sentiment's keeping the price down. But in this next video I'm about to show you, hey, we're pushing up at that resistance right now. And once WAN pops, it came down so hard and so fast. The initial pop's gonna, I believe, be pretty interesting to watch. Not financial advice, you know, not trying to show you guys a coin, but I'm trying to talk these things through with you so you understand the psychology playing out in investors' heads. So you can think through things on your own. You don't always need the DubDigital. Because the whole point of this channel, guys, is to like help you think and understand how I think. So you can just, you know, mull things over in your head. Make decisions for yourself. If YouTube ever cuts me off, that knowledge is going to be with you for the rest of your life. But it also pays, and this is why I do these things, to like think in different ways. Roner, Orchid 2. Hey, we just looked at Orchid. That's looking nice. I'm doing an Orchid update on my next video. Well, maybe my next few videos. Like 2. AGI, is that Singularity Net? I tried to type and drink coffee at the same time. It didn't work out. All right, Singularity Net. Whew. Well, you know, is this the one where they're going to mine in your body? Because if it is, that's weird as hell, man. Like, why they got to do this? Why do they want to get an ult in my body like that, though, man? No, you can't be in the DubDigital body, man. But if you guys want to buy the coin, that's up to you. Basically, looking at this thing, it's still suppressed. I would think this is going to be a slow grower until it's not. And why do I say that? Just guys, look, when you look at the coin, unless it's a freaking scam and it never goes up again, you know, you got to be at least smart enough to identify those. Like, look how long this structure was. It was long as hell, right? So look, this price point here, like the 5 to 6 cent level, that's going to be a bear to get above. It's probably going to like go up there, make a quick impulse and like hover, go up, go down. It's going to be hard to get above this. But once it does get above this, it's going to be a pretty far shot up. But with that said, I mean, when I see stuff like that, I'll be like, okay, I got time. I have time. I'm going to go mess around over here, check back later on Singularity Net. And that has to do with like the timing of your investments, guys. Like some things might take a little longer to go up. Some things are immediately going to go up. As an investor, as a trader, you want to be moving your capital a lot. As an investor, you look at the fundamentals and ride the trend. What kind of investor / trader are you? You know? But personally speaking, I don't know if I'm just like misunderstanding this coin, but I'm not too crazy about the use case and the mining thing. It just freaks me out. But hey, that's not what y'all gotta do. This is not financial advice. And I'm not Crypto Jesus sitting up here. Just a dude on the internet, you know? Doesn't mean the investment's bad at all. It's just not my vibe. $22 people on the chat still, man. Dang, that's nice. Let's see. Uni let it ride. Challenge accepted. Will be applying knowledge when I get that flare drop. LOL. Hey, flare too. Is that still going on because the whole XRP thing? But flare airdrop, I'm with it. And then I hear we get like another coin off of flare. That's like 3x in my coins doing nothing. I like this. I like this bull run, man. Give me free coins now. The only airdrop I got before or whatever fork was like Bitcoin Cash. I mean, that was cool. But all these ones going on right now are even better. Yeah, man. You got to think about it. Like if someone gives you something for free, who cares? It's not even your money to begin with. You know what I'm saying? Like, who cares? It's like taking money to Vegas, right? And you're saying, okay, I got this $100 bill. This is what I'm going to use to spend gambling. If it goes, like you got it for a birthday or something, someone gave you that to spend on gambling and you gambled and it goes away. Do you care? I don't care. It's not even my money, you know? Foblo. Do whales sometimes prevent price to go up so they can buy more at lower prices? Yeah, you know, like there's a bunch of people in crypto for a lot of reasons. Some of them manipulate stuff like that. It depends who you're talking to about. Like if you're talking about like an institution or like a hedge fund or something participate in this, yeah, for sure. They're manipulating that thing down, keeping it low. But like there's also smaller people in here too, whales that like they probably just been buying DCA over like or dollar cost averaging over like the last couple years, you know? So there's people doing both things. There's people who are long crypto, there's people who are short crypto. You know, like I'm sure crypto is not really even regulated. So yeah, that's 100% for sure. Jimmy, noobs always thinking they're gonna be another BTC. Yeah, I mean, there'll never be another BTC because BTC is BTC, right? Just like the dollar isn't perfect, but it's what we use, right? At the end of the day, it's a confidence game. But with that said, there are going to be overperformers. There are going to be altcoins that probably will go up more percentage-wise than BTC. I'll tell you what, though, there aren't going to be altcoins that hold their value better than BTC. And guys, you got to remember, making money, there's making money and keeping money, okay? Altcoins make you money, but the gains can go away like that. You know, how do you keep your money? That's why I like to pull my profits in BTC because I know at least it's a safer, more stable crypto, even though it's not really that stable. It's more stable than a lot of altcoins, right? And then like I'm securing those profits. I'm keeping some of my altcoin bag. I'm taking some, turning it in Bitcoin because I know that Bitcoin altcoins run like individually. So when the altcoins run up, I'm going to take some, turn to Bitcoin. Then at some point, Bitcoin is going to run up. Oh, it's might fall a little bit. I take the altcoins. I take the Bitcoin and put it in altcoins. See how that goes? So I'm always benefiting from the move. I never want to be all out of one thing and in one thing. I want to be in everything. And then when Bitcoin goes up a lot and I think it's getting pretty high, then I pull cash. Then I start making a cash stockpile. So when anything drops, I can use that cash to get back. You see what I'm saying? You're more powerful with everything in your, like, what the hell you call it? Wheelhouse, right? I'm all altcoins. I'm all Bitcoin. I'm all cash now. Man, unless you're Miss Cleo, good for you. I'm not Miss Cleo. So I like to have all the tools so I can use them in the appropriate situation. 20 people on the chat. That's dope. Roner, sorry, my comment was a little vague. I just meant it was on the Ethereum Alliance list too when you were scrolling it. Yeah, it was. Orchid. Yeah, I named him out. Orchid was. Only crypto I know got a CNET Innovation Award. But hey, maybe I'm a weirdo. What do you think about Algorand? A lot of ties back to that Ethereum Mafia umbrella. Man, see, I've been lagging on Algorand. I know it, like the XRP click is all about Algorand. It fits into like their, I guess you call it conspiracy. I don't know much about Algorand, man. I have like requests to do a video on it, so that's got to be like in one of my next altcoin gem things. Don't know much about Algorand. Let me know what you know though. All right, guys. Are you holding any Kava coin? No. No. See, guys, like my bags, I do a lot of research on the coins that I do research on, you know? I'm all over those coins. Like I watch it like a chicken sitting on a baby egg. Baby chicken? No, baby egg? No, chicken sitting on an egg. I gotta watch it. I see how it's doing. See if it's comfortable. Are you warm enough? Are you chilling? You know? And then I just kind of focus on those eggs. Like I did enough looking around early on in the we call it like early on in the bull run. You know? And there's coins where I've seen them, they just didn't catch my eye. Is that wrong of me to do? It's not wrong. You know, but at a certain point, you have to start focusing on the projects you want to like not exploit, but maximize. Because guys, price action is price action, you know? If you're sitting in a coin that's gonna go up 2,000-3,000%, how many more coins do you really need to put into your bag? If you're studying this thing like a hawk, you sell out when it's overvalued, it falls, you get back in. Like you can really make all the money you want off of 5, 10, 4 coins, right? So like Kava didn't make the list for me. But will Kava have a bright future? Probably. Isn't that a Binance coin? You know? Hey, so if you are looking, and I would say this though, guys, my bags are pretty much packed. I do those hidden gem altcoins for you though, because hey, it's always good to learn a little more. But if you haven't got into a crypto position, shoot, you might want to start looking around at like these other coins like Kava and stuff. Actually, hasn't Kava taken off? I'll jump over to Kava. $2. 222. Wow. That's the universe at work. I mean, look, Kava's probably going to do it. Binance has been trying to get into DeFi. They're going to jack up their yields. Trust. CZ is going to be all over it. So Kava probably has a future, man. I mean, just that, like at the end of the day, I can't have 1 million coins. I can't. Thanks, Dub. You stream every Sunday? If so, I'll see you next week. 3K soon. Yeah, I stream every Sunday, guys, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm also doing streams on coins that we typically cover when they're popping off, so we can just like chill out and enjoy it and stuff. Hey, you smash a like on your way out. Dub, a real one. Hey, I appreciate you. Appreciate you for real. For real. There's a small YouTuber named Money Today show, and he lays it all out better than I could. Everyone do your own research though, for sure. His name's Money Today. I'll check it out. Doge doubled in the last 20 minutes. Okay, let's see it. Look at that, man. Oh, you guys can't see it. My bad. Guys, like, you know how many of my friends hit me up asking me if they should get in Doge? I'm like, why are you... Guys, you know I got a YouTube channel? Why don't you look at my damn videos? But like, Doge... The time to get into Doge is down here, man. I ain't gonna mess it up here. That's just not my deal. But like, come on, guys. Like, I don't know. Like, everyone loves Tesla. Everyone loves Doge. Like, they just want to jump in when the going's hot. I hope they get out before it comes crashing down. I hope. You can make money with this stuff, man. I'm just not a momentum play kind of guy. Too dangerous. Let's gamble for a few hours on Doge. Make a quick buck. Hey, you can tell me how it goes, man. I'm praying for you. Monday Today Show. Okay, I'll check it out. Check it out. Yeah, it has ties with like XRP, right? Dope, guys. Still got 20 people. Wow. How's everything going, guys? Any general questions on the crypto space? Any new people here who don't get the hell's going on? Sometimes if you're new to this, it's like drinking through a fire hose. So be thankful you got in a while ago. I had time to like understand what's popping. But I'm liking crypto. I'm liking the way it's looking. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance real quick. This is my handy dandy chart, guys. About to make me some buco bucks. But guys, just so you know, if you haven't seen my videos or what the hell you doing, hit the subscribe. But also, look, this was the last altcoin season, okay? This is when Litecoin went from $2 to $400. This is when Ethereum went from like $8 to 1,400. We ain't had nothing like that for the longest freaking time, guys. Everyone's like, oh, altcoin season already happened. No, it didn't, okay? Didn't happen. Those must be people who've never been in crypto before. Did not happen. What I do think is going to be like altcoin season, or at least the first leg of it, depending on how crazy this gets. That's what I'm looking for. 40% drop down. But look, guys, like, let me zoom up here. We're having a bounce right here, having some trouble. But that's because, let's draw a line. I like to draw lines, but I don't know the hell's going on. Because the price is sitting at 63% dominance. Look, we have some obvious touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touch points. 8 touch points since 2018. So obviously the 63% level is gonna be a little rocky. We're getting some bounce here. That's to be expected because that's a sticking point. What's gonna be interesting is once it starts dropping down. Once this price action falls out of this triangle, jeez, and then we're gonna be having some celebratory live streams. That's for sure. You know, like, guys, like, why would Bitcoin dominance just keep rising? Like, everyone says, oh, it's gonna rise. Why? No one can tell me why. Because I'm looking at this thing over the course of Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance since 2014. Sitting at 99.5%. Almost all the value in crypto in Bitcoin. Fast forward, it drops down to 98%. Fast forward 2016, 95%. Fast forward, woof, falls all the way down to 35%. What's the macro trend here, guys? Bitcoin dominance over time keeps dropping. While we obviously have bounces, this was the bear market. Well, what's it gonna do? Just bounce down and come all the way up? That would make no sense. But it doesn't make sense if you look at it like a waterfall. Like what? Think of water flowing up, comes down, and comes back down. That's what I'm thinking is gonna happen. COVID keeps me on YouTube and crypto. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Hey, everyone's at home though too. That might be why like crypto's getting more attention. Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, XRP, XLM, Algorand, VeChain, Alita Bright, Orchid, and so on and so on. Those are pretty like solid cryptos you just named. RT, what stage of the wave are we now? Man, I don't know what stage you mean, quite honestly. But like as far as like the structure I'm looking at right now, I'm looking at this like a head and shoulders gonna form out here. That's obviously pattern reversal. You have a descending triangle. That's a bearish signal. There's no volume here because it's a dominance chart. But guys, like, I don't think it's gonna go back up, or at least significantly up. We're seeing altcoins showing strength in the face of Bitcoin, dropping down from 40,000 to like 30,000. Altcoins are still going up. That didn't happen for the last 2 years, but now the last time it happened was here. We're starting to get that now, and we're just right here. You know, so it's I don't really do Elliott wave theory, or at least like, you know, not a lot. So my bad, man. But like as far as a correctionary wave, I mean it's ABC, right? I don't know. I'm never gonna get into that. That's not my shit. That's not my shit. My bad. It's me, Awesome Ray HD. New to the channel. Love the edits on the video, fam. Good stuff. I appreciate you, man. Try to keep it engaging, and I try to keep it hot. All right, guys. Well, hey, that was fun. We got 18 people still in the chat. It's been 2 hours. Appreciate you guys tuning in. It's DubDigital, trying to bring you weekly videos on your favorite cryptos. I'm trying to sprinkle in like hidden gem altcoins for my new subscribers, but also cover like some core altcoins that the majority of my following likes to see. So like I try to do some like pivoting here. Like, what do you guys want? What's interesting to me? How can I still engage people who've been with me for a while? So hopefully you guys are like enjoying that playlist on the top and my formatting of my channel. So yeah, I'm taking, you know, let me know if you like what I'm doing. We could switch things up. I'm definitely open to it. I just keep it low key, like to kick back and chill. Do these live streams. You might do some more live streams moving forward here though. What else? I don't know. Hey, share the videos. If you like what I do, share the videos. Always looking to grow the channel. And appreciate y'all. Until next time, guys. Keep it gangsta. Peace.